Why do homes in Calgary need regular dryer vent cleaning? It's a fire safety hazard. Now, while your lint trap on your dryer does a great job of picking up the vast majority of lint, there's still a small amount that somehow gets through and makes it into the dryer system. Now, the longer you've gone without having a dryer vent cleaning, the more buildup goes on the inside. And if you've ever tried to light a fire, or if you ever go backcountry camping, you know that by taking dryer lint, it's a great combustible. Now, the biggest danger is the longer you've gone without that cleaning, the bigger that combustible stays inside the dryer vent pipes. And if you're running a sanitized cycle on your dryer or it's getting extremely hot, it just increases the likelihood that inside that dryer vent, it catches on fire. So every few years, you really want to make sure you have a professional come in there and do your dryer vent cleaning. And like we did in my own home, we piggybacked it on the service where they cleaned the rest of our ducts as well. It's something that, we don't think about often because we can take it for granted. But if you don't know when the last time you had your dryer vents cleaned, now's a good time to get it to organize and book it.